Jen from Benari, and we bred the first hybrid begonia over 100 years ago. So I have a tip for you. But first of all, the begonias have both a male and a female flower. So don't worry that you're doing something wrong if you get some singles on your flowers, because that's just the female. And just enjoy both of them. They give you lots of color. And my gardening tip though is that you see how these leaves are starting to kind of move or look like they're going this way. That's the way that you should plant them into the hanging basket or container, with those leaves going down the side, because that's where the flowers are going to follow. If you planted them in like this, then all your flowers are going to stay at the top of your hanging basket. So you want a nice full look, so be sure to plant the leaves facing out.